All right, we're back. It's been quite a while. Okay, so where we left off, yeah, we're already on another video segment here. I was taking my my touch-up pen, the red mahogany number 225, and touching up all the fill-ins that I did. So now you can barely see any of those fills that I did. I think the ones that are going to be exposed are probably as good as they're going to get. But the headstock, I mean, it looks pretty good, I think. You know. How does that look? Yeah, you can still see them, but I mean, there's only 3 that are going to be exposed, and that's this one up here, this one down here, and this one right here. So I mean, can only do so much, right? this is gonna work. I just tried taking away some of the excess glue around one of the peg, the fill holes. So let's see if that covers. Because there's only 3 of them that I'm concerned about. Otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. The body's looking, better. I still would like to figure out about that little crack down, down there. But one, two. So that's all right. Okay, that's all right. I thought I might have gotten a little stain on the pick guard. So, really don't think you'll be able to notice it. It's looking better already. I think I'm going to call that good and move on. Okay, so the next part we're going to do is we need to clean up that we need to clean up the nut groove so we can put a new nut in there. And what I'm going to do for that is take a little sandpaper, and yes, we should probably mask off anything before it on the headstock so we don't wind up having to do all this again. So let's see, right about there is where we're going to be. Okay. All right, so from the bottom of the tape to right here, that's where the nut's going to go. And we need to clean up all that junk in there, if you can see. There's a better shot. Right up in here. I'm gonna clean off all the old glue and whatnot. see if we can scrape it out first and maybe take a little bit of sandpaper to it. Some guys like to take a razor blade and just take the flat side and just scrape it, you know. Maybe a little bit of sandpaper will help that, just to get it a little extra clean. And take our homemade sandpaper here, homemade, what you want to call it. So. Couple passes should do it. Let's see. There we go. I think that's going to be good. Got it nice and smooth, nice and clean. Gets ready for the new nut. So let's get it out of here. Let's get it. Pull it out of the box. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. There it is. All right, moving along. Yes, moving along. Whoa, something fell. Here's the nut. Look at that little small thing. Take it out of out of the package here. This is it. Look at that. Can you see? Don't know if that was actually coming in the way it's supposed to. Let's see. Well, this is going to be a little too wide. So that means we're going to have to sand this down. Need to apply a little bit of touch up here, just below the headstock. We need to apply a little bit of touch up along here, otherwise it's going to be exposed. So I think what we're going to need to do now is find the old nut. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was cracked. Not sure. Here's our new tuners and ferrules that we're going to put on tonight. Where did I put that? I always save the old stuff, just in case. Yeah, it should be in here. I think I see it. There it is. Yes. That's why I put all my parts in this little cup here. For later. Alright. Even have the old bridge right here. Okay, so how much bigger is it? Oh, it's a considerable amount. Wow. So let's see. Let's take the old one. Alright, I think this had a good time to dry. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, right? I think so. So the old one, yeah, so here's the old one, if you can see, and it went from edge to edge. But you know, that's a plastic one. That's a plastic nut. And it didn't look like the strings were actually in there very well. So when you line these up like that, it's I think what I'm going to have to do is just take this down a little bit at a time on my sanding block. That's what I think I'm going to have to do. This is getting to be more and more of a job as I go along. Pencil. Or at least scratch. to the sanding block. Alrighty, let's see how this goes. Taking off some material.